Lacy, what is in Luke's hand right now?
It's a cack.
This is a chicken.
It's a cat.
It's a cat.
Relax.
See, I didn't freak out about that.
You're not handling the cack very well.
I'm amateur with the cat. How are you?
Look at this little pig, how cute. Look at that little guy.
Trishelle, come in.
He's 4 months.
Do you want to feed them?
Kind of do, actually.
Isn't this guy cute?
Hey, Lacy, you want to feed that pig?
Yeah, what do I do?
I don't know, like, get some seeds or something. Hi, you want to be on camera too? Lacy, I expect... Oh no!
Why did it blow away?
Lacy, this will be my 31st birthday gift.
It still works.
Go feed that little thing. Oh, look at it, he's eating grass.
They're very confused by this.
Oh, chicken. She just talks. She's very nice.
She's very nice.
Why do they walk you?